After checking into our hotel and getting freshened up, we were super excited to kick off our Chiang Mai trip. And guess what? Our very first stop is the famous Tiger Kingdom Chiang Mai. This place is just around a 20-minute cab ride from the city center. And it's actually the original Tiger Kingdom location in Thailand, before the one in Phuket came up. As soon as we reached, we went straight to the ticket counter. And you will see that they offer different packages based on the size of the tiger you want to meet. There is small, medium, big, and the giant tiger. Or you can even go for combos like medium plus giant or all sizes. As of 2025, here is what Tiger Kingdom Chiang Mai offers. Small tiger visits are around 900 baht. Medium, big and giant tiger sessions are 1000 baht each. The medium plus giant combo is about 1800 baht and you can even meet all sizes for about 2500 baht. Check the official website for the latest prices and add-ons. You can also book photo packages with a professional photographer or just use your phone camera. We picked the medium plus giant combo, but in this video I am just showing my medium tiger interaction. So make sure to catch part 2 for the giant one. Tiger Kingdom Chiang Mai is open daily from 9 am to 5 pm. And they also have a cafe and souvenir shop if you want to chill afterward. Once you enter, you walk through a garden-style pathway lined with trees and greenery. It's peaceful and you will hear birds and signs like Tiger Kingdom all over. Spotted a newborn cub nursery where staff were gently bottle feeding milk to baby tigers. It was super cute and playful to watch them drinking from little bottles. Next up is the medium tiger enclosure. A few tips if you are planning a visit. Wear light and comfy clothes. No bright colors or dangling stuff. Avoid strong perfumes or scents. You must be at least 160 cm tall for the medium giant tigers. Go early if you want cooler weather and smaller crowds. After a quick safety briefing, we were guided into the enclosure. And there he was. The tiger looked calm but super powerful. You are allowed to gently pose next to them. Touch them on their back or belly. But obviously, there are trained staff right there making sure everything is safe and smooth. Honestly, it was such a surreal experience. I never imagined I would be this close to a tiger. Would you ever pose with a tiger? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are enjoying these Chiang Mai adventures. I will see you in the part 2, where I meet the giant tiger. And trust me, it gets even more thrilling.